Can you explain why you keep moving into apartments as layouts where you have your stream right next to the washing room? What are you talking? Where do you guys live? Where your Steam, or I'm sorry, where your, how big are apartments that you have like 5 rooms between you and the washing machine? Can you explain a sample layout for me there? I don't understand. I'm trying to think of every single apartment I've had with an in-unit washer dryer. It's always going to be like 2 rooms at the most to a bedroom. They don't do laundry. They live with their parents. Yeah, because you're like, oh, why don't you go in? Like, what do you expect a washer dryer to go in a bedroom? Chances are they're always going to go in some type of like main room or next to the kitchen where all the other big appliances are, and you're going to be 1 or 2 rooms away at the most from the washer dryer. What is this like? Oh, you're always so close to the washing machine. Yeah, no, because I'm in an apartment, of course. This is why Hassan has a mansion for the acoustics. Yeah, true. Hassan loves you guys, and I don't. I'm just lazy. Base. Oh, steam turbine. Okay, there we go. Does anybody else has their DG chat where like the
Happy New Year, buddy.
arrow gets like stuck? So you're what, 2 rooms away and you can still hear it that much? How big is the apartment and don't you guys have doors? Like I have a normal sized apartment where the door is closed. I can't hear that shit at all. You probably can hear it. You just don't realize it because you've got like headphones on and you're not thinking, right? Like you can hear it in mine because I have like a microphone that's picking up noises and shit. But there's no shot that you live in any apartment in the United States where you can't hear a washer or dryer 1 or 2 rooms away. There's just no, it's not possible. Why is your apartment so small for 5K a month? It's a 1,400 square foot apartment. You guys are, why am I talking to a bunch of, I don't know, never mind. I don't even know how many of you guys live on your own yet. Good trolls. Just have no idea about anything. In a 1,000 square foot apartment, I can hear my dryer everywhere. Good job. This is the most common layout for an apartment. If you're streaming in one of these 2 rooms, you don't think you're gonna hear the washer dryer? Wait, where does the living room go here? Or I'm sorry, where does the washer dryer go here? Is it here in this in one of the mechanical closets? He doesn't get it. Oh, never mind, it just loaded. Actually, off yourself. Whoa, 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 whoa.